Hello YouTube, I'm Mr. Twirly as in Twirly Face. I have a message from aliens. You guys will be doomed with straws in your nose. Straws in your nose. Yes, straws in your nose. And eating rotten cheese for breakfast. So, if you want to survive, come to me so I can twirl you, and they will not stick straws in your nose, or as in nostrils, and not have to eat rotten cheese. I will haunt you with my twirly fingers. Will get into your brain. Oh no. Malfunction. I will find you.